Good morning. All of you are well. So we are continuing that recombinant DNA technology with the downstream processing. It's called the downstream processing. So already how the bioreactor works are that all we had learned in last session. So downstream processing, after completion of the biosynthetic stage, the product has to be subjected through a series of processes before it is already for marketing as a finished product. After completion of biosynthetic stage, in bioreactor, all the biosynthetic stage is completed. The product has to be subjected through a series of processes before it is already for marketing as a finished product. The process include, what are the process include? Separation and purification, which are collectively referred to as downstream processing only. So after completion of work in bioreactor, you make it as a product for commercial purpose or marketing, some process should be done to this product. Then only it can be converted into a commercial product or product to be sold. The process include separation and purification. Process include separation and purification, which are collectively referred to as downstream processing only. The processes include separation and purification, which are collectively referred to as downstream processing. The product has to be formulated with the suitable preservatives. The product has to be formulated with the suitable preservatives. Preservatives are used. Such a formulation has to undergo thorough clinical trials, as in case of drugs only. Now, how drugs are, COVID vaccine trials are going on. Day before yesterday, one news came that it was unsuccessful, that testing some unknown diseases happened in the people on who are this trial is taken. So like that, before using a drug, many trials are doing. First trial, second trial, third trial. Like that, all the side effect of that drug or chemical seen, then only it is become acceptable. Like that, this also having such a formulation has to undergo thorough clinical trials. So such a formulation has also to be undergo such a formulation has to undergo thorough clinical trials, as in case of drugs. Strict quality control testing for each product is also required. Quality control is there. Such a formulation has to undergo thorough clinical trials, as in case of drugs. Moreover, strict quality control testing for each product is also required. The downstream processing and quality control testing vary from product to product only. So after completion of the biosynthetic stage, the product has to be subjected through a series of processes before it's ready for marketing as a finished product. The process include separation and purification, which are collectively referred to as downstream processing. The product has to be formulated with the suitable preservatives. Suitable preservatives are also used. Such a formulation has to undergo thorough clinical trials, as in case of the drugs. Strict quality control testing for each product is also required. The downstream processing and quality control testing vary from product to product. By how we have completed the lesson, so we will be see that what we learned through this. So process of recombinant DNA technology, only this process, this topic is started from there only. The recombinant DNA technology, already I told you that we had discussed in one of the sessions. Recombinant DNA technology involves several steps. In specific sequence, see that isolation of DNA, fragmentation of DNA by restriction endonuclease, isolation of a desired DNA fragment, ligation of the DNA fragment into the vector, transferring the recombinant into a DNA into the host, culturing of host cell in a medium at a large scale, and extraction of the desired product. That extraction of desired product only we have completed now. So it is started from here only, this process. a continuous process only. Which are the steps? First one is isolation of DNA. Second one is fragmentation of DNA by restriction endonuclease. Third one is isolation of a desired DNA fragment. Fourth one is ligation of DNA. Ligation means join. Ligation of DNA fragment into a vector. And next one is transferring the recombinant DNA into the host. Culturing the host cells in a medium at a large scale and extraction of the desired product. And isolation of the genetic material DNA. Recall that nucleic acid is the genetic material of all organisms without exception. In majority of organisms, this is deoxyribonucleic acid, and some of the organisms it is RNA also, ribonucleic acid. So first, since DNA is enclosed within the membrane, we have to break the cell open to release DNA along with other macromolecules such as RNA, protein, poly. This all should be digested, and we have to make the DNA very pure. Pure DNA only this restriction enzyme will be worked. Restriction enzymes which is using to cut the DNA working on very pure, very pure. So what are the things associated with the DNA should be removed, can be associated. Since the DNA is enclosed within the membrane, we have to break the cell open to release DNA along with other macromolecules such as RNA, proteins, polysaccharides, also lipids. This can be achieved by treating the bacterial cell, plant or animal tissues with enzymes such as this can be achieved by treating the bacterial cells, plant or animal tissue with enzymes such as lysozyme, cellulase, chitinase, etc. Lysozyme means bacteria. So lysosome is there, no, that should be break. And cellulose, plant cell is made up of cellulose, so that cellulose is breaking by the enzyme cellulase. And fungus cell wall is chitin made only. So that chitin is digested by chitinase. So like that only we are doing. So this is digested by proper enzymes are using to digest the other components together with the DNA, and the DNA ultimately precipitates. Purified DNA ultimately precipitates out after the addition of chilled ethanol. This can be seen as a collection of fine threads in the suspension. This one. This diagram. Cutting of DNA at a specific location. Restriction enzyme digestase are performed by incubating purified DNA molecule with the restriction enzyme. At the optimal condition for that specific enzyme, agarose gel electrophoresis. Agarose is a chemical substance using here. Electrophoresis already I told that. DNA is negatively charged only. So by using an anode means positive electrode, this DNA will be stick on that because DNA is negatively charged only. You go and stick on the positive electrode. Removed. Then next step is cutting of DNA at a specific location. For that electrophoresis done. Then amplification of gene. For this polymerase chain reaction only using. Polymerase means making a long chain. Taking a short chain That is oligonucleotide is taking and making it into a long chain. 3 steps are here: denaturation, annealing, and extension. Denaturation. By using enzyme, the DNA gets denatured. Breaking the DNA is called the denaturation. And 2 sets of primers are needed. These are the primers. This one and this one. These 2 are the primers. This is called annealing. Annealing. And after beds, by using DNA polymerase or Taq polymerase plus deoxynucleotides, these primers are elongating in length. That is called extension. Extension of primer only taking place. Actually, extension of primer is taking place in this step. So 3 steps are there: denaturation, annealing, and extension. And it is amplified for 1 billion times only. 1 billion times. So selectable, now selectable marker only, selectable marker. So here selectable marker is ampicillin resistant gene only. So we are preparing a recombinant DNA. In that, suppose ampicillin resistant gene is present. If ampicillin resistant gene is present in that, that can be resisted ampicillin only. So if we are keeping this recombinant DNA in ampicillin containing medium, if it survives means it contains ampicillin resistant gene. If it does not survive means it does not having ampicillin resistant gene only. So if it has ampicillin resistant gene, it survives because it has resistance against the ampicillin. If we spread the transformed cells on agar plates containing ampicillin, only transformants will grow. Untransformed recipient cells will die. Since due to ampicillin resistant gene, one is able to select a transformed cell in the presence of ampicillin. Since due to ampicillin resistant gene, one is able to select a transformed cell in the presence of ampicillin. The ampicillin resistant gene in this case is called a selectable marker. The ampicillin resistant gene in this case is called a selectable marker. Obtaining the foreign gene product. When you insert a piece of alien DNA into a cloning vector and transfer into bacterial or plant or animal cell, it will be get multiplied. That multiplication is more than 1 million times. So we have to produce a desirable gene by using this recombinant DNA technology. First, recombinant DNA technology is used to produce the hormone insulin only. Hormone insulin. Insulin is a protein containing hormone only. So first, recombinant DNA technology is applied for the production of insulin hormone only. So the ultimate aim is to produce the desirable protein only. Hence, there is a need for the recombinant DNA to be expressed. The foreign gene gets expressed under appropriate conditions. The expression of foreign genes in host cells involve understanding many technical details. After having cloned the gene of interest, having optimized the condition to induce the expression of the target protein, one has to consider producing it on a large scale. If any protein encoding gene is expressed in a heterologous host is called a recombinant protein. The cells harboring cloned genes of interest may be grown on a small scale in the laboratory. The cultures may be used for extracting the desired gene, extracting the desired protein and then purifying it by using different separation techniques. Understood that one? Already learned only, I am summarizing this one only. This lesson is going to be completed by this one. And for this 1 million copies like that getting, a large vessel is needed, like that an instrument is using for the culture of this one, that is large volume, 100 to 1000 liters, that is bioreactor. The speciality of bioreactor is discussed afterward. It is a vessel in which raw materials biologically converted into specific products only. We are getting product, biological, raw materials. Bioreactors in which raw materials are biologically converted into specific products, individual enzyme, etc. using microbial plant, animal or human cell. A bioreactor provides the optimal conditions for achieving the desired product by providing optimal growth conditions, temperature, pH, substrate, salts, vitamin, oxygen, etc. On diagram, two diagrams also given. In that first one, simple stirred tank bioreactor given, and in second one, sparged. Sparged means sterile air bubbles are given. Sterile air bubbles are also given. Bubbles are seen here. These are the air bubbles. And all the holistic systems are maintained inside the bioreactor. And the next one is downstream processing. Downstream processing, after completion of the biosynthetic stage, the product has to be subjected through a series of processes before it is ready for marketing as a finished product. The processes include separation and purification, which are collectively referred to as downstreaming processes. The processes include separation and purification, which are collectively referred to as downstream processing. The product has to be formulated with suitable preservatives. Such a formulation has to undergo thorough clinical trials and in case of drugs. Strict quality control testing for each product is also required. The downstream processing and quality control testing vary from product to product. So summary also one time. They summarize the lesson very short. Biotechnology deals with large scale production and marketing of products and processes using live organisms, cells or enzymes. Modern biotechnology using genetically modified organism was made possible only when man learned to alter the chemistry of DNA and construct recombinant DNA. This key process is called the recombinant DNA technology or genetic engineering. Genetically modified organism was made possible only when man learned to alter the chemistry of DNA and construct recombinant DNA. This key process is called the recombinant DNA technology or genetic engineering. This process involves the use of restriction endonuclease, DNA ligase, appropriate plasmid or viral vectors to isolate and ferry the foreign DNA into host organism. Expression of the foreign gene, purification of the gene product, that is the functional protein, and finally making a suitable formulation for marketing. Large scale production involves use of bioreactors. That up to that we had already learned. So some slides also, biotechnology, principles and processes only we have completed now. This also see. What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is the techniques of using live organism or their enzymes for products and processes useful to humans. This is the definition of biotechnology. Definition of biotechnology. European Federation of Biotechnology, EFB, European Federation of Biotechnology, EFB, defines biotechnology as the integration of natural science and organisms. Biotechnology as the integration of natural science and organisms, cells, parts thereof, and molecular analogues for products and services. European Federation of Biotechnology, EFB defines biotechnology as the integration of natural science and organisms, integration of natural science and organisms, cells, parts thereof, and molecular analogues for products and services. Biotechnology deals with the microbe-mediated process, like making curd, bread, wine, etc. In vitro fertilization, that is test tube baby programs, synthesis and using of a gene, preparation of DNA vaccine, correcting a defective gene. See that these are the topics we are discussed in this lesson. Correcting a defective gene. Test tube baby also shown here. Next one, genetic engineering and bioprocess engineering. Four techniques of modern biotechnology. Modern biotechnology is using genetic engineering and bioprocess engineering. After completing 12th, genetic engineering and bioprocess engineering both are the field very suitable to get a job and opportunities in this context of COVID. Diseases are increasing, so many virology labs to be started in the country. So genetic engineering and bioprocess engineering are both the courses are very nice. So if you are interested, you can select that also. So four techniques of modern biotechnology: genetic engineering, the technique in which genetic material is chemically altered. Genetic material is chemically altered and introduced into host organism to change the phenotype. Maintenance of sterile ambience in chemical engineering, processes for growing desired microbe, eukaryotic cell in large quantities for the manufacture of antibiotics, vaccines and enzymes. This is in genetic engineering. Genetic material is chemically changing. Chemicals of the genetic material is changing, altered and introduced into host organism to change the phenotype. That only we had learned in this lesson. And next one is maintenance of sterile ambience in chemical engineering process for growing desired microbe, eukaryotic cell in large quantities. Bioreactor used and made, that is coming under the bioprocess engineering. And the recombinant DNA technology will come in genetic engineering, and bioreactor process are coming in bioprocess engineering. So in basic steps, genetically modifying an organism, three steps are there: identification of DNA with the desirable genes, identification of DNA with the desirable genes, introduction of the identified DNA into the host, introduction of the identified DNA into the host, maintenance of introduced DNA in the host, maintenance of introduced DNA in the host, and transfer of the DNA to its project, and transfer of the DNA to its project. Identification of DNA with the desirable genes. Traditional hybridization techniques lead to inclusion and multiplication of undesirable genes. Traditional hybridization having one disadvantage, already I told you. Along with the desirable gene, undesirable genes are also increased. In genetic engineering, only desirable genes are introduced. Introduction of the identified DNA into the host. A vector DNA such as plasmid is used to deliver an alien piece of DNA into the host organism. A vector DNA such as plasmid is used to deliver an alien piece of DNA into host organism. A piece of alien DNA has the sequence called has number of the sequence called origin of replication needed for starting replication. So it cannot multiply itself in the progeny cells of the organism. So it cannot multiply itself because it does not have a origin of replication. If origin of replication is there, then only it can be multiplied in number. And tools of recombinant DNA. These are the tools. Restriction enzymes. Restriction enzyme is also calling as molecular sieves because it is used to cut the DNA. And these are the cloning vector. This is the cloning vector. And after producing recombinant DNA, it is transformed the cells, transform the cell. Now it has this recombinant transform the cell and introducing into the competent host. Understood? One time read this. We have completed the lesson. This biotechnology is a new topic for you. New topic only this one, because I think that a smaller lesson it is not discussed like that. So it is a starting only. So one more time I said all the main points. But it is a very interesting lesson only. I think that the majority of you are going with biotechnology, microbiology like this courses only. So it is the basic knowledge for that also. So don't want to avoid anything. All the things you have to learn. And next year you will be get admission in very nice college also. So now one more lesson, biotechnology 2 is also there. Continuation of this cities. So this one thoroughly understanding that also will be easy for you. Biotechnology 2 lessons are there for the biotech. This diagram or you have to draw along with the answers. So this also. So this is the lesson. So I think that you all understood the lesson well. All of you have to start to learn. Time is going like that. We are going to meet it very soon. So learn well.